It's really nice because in our class we actually do get a lot of hands-on, and our teacher does really help us out a lot. He teaches us how to do it right and proper techniques and everything. I've just always been fascinated with cars and the way you can transform them from just looking basic to spectacular or reimagined. The most rewarding thing is actually seeing your final product, seeing how it came out, how good of a job you did, and seeing that you've actually done it yourself, that you were able to complete it and have a smooth closing finish. First thing they have to do is start with talking to their counselor. They need to get into the first year program in the 9th grade because there's only so many spots open and first come, first serve. CTE programs are really helpful. They're the best you can get and real fun to take. You get to meet new people from all other schools and make new friends.